Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, Aries, so we have Justice card, this is your current energy, and Four of Pentacles, this is your partner's current energy. If I talk about your current energy, Aries, it seems like you are going through some kind of a legal things, legal procedures, legal processes. It could be a divorce process, it could be a legal separation, it could be some other thing. So you are someone who is involved in some kind of a legal things, okay? And perhaps it could also happen for some of you, Aries, that you are being somebody who has drawn a line for rest of the people, okay? You are being very, very authoritative towards your own life, towards your own expansion, towards your own goals, towards your own love, relationship, success, okay? You have drawn an invisible line for the people who tries to approach you, okay? And since you have the sword in your hand and the scale in your hand, it seems like you know what is your limit. And it also seems like for some of you, Aries, that you know how much you should give attention to the other people. All right. On the other hand, we have Four of Pentacles. So Aries, this is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person is worried. It seems like your person is sad. They are anxious about something, and they are very, very fearful about something is there which they do not want to lose at any cost. It could be you, Aries, it could be you, that your person don't want to lose you. And this could be the reason that they are sitting far away from all the obstructions of life or obstructions from their family and friends. They are concerned about you, they love you, they want you, okay? And they are fearful that someday you will leave them, and they do not want to lose you at any cost, Aries. Now let's see what is the mutual current energy between Aries and their person. What is the mutual current energy between Aries and their person? See, some kind of a transformation is happening. Some kind of a transformation is happening, okay? And I feel that Aries, it is for you, that because you are being somebody who is giving the equal amount of attention to people who do not matter for you, okay? You know, as I told you, that you have drawn a line, an invisible line or invisible boundary for people, that this is your line, you should not cross it, and if you cross, I'll cut you out, okay? So I think that you are going through some kind of a transformation, Aries, right now, and this could be with regards to your career, with regards to your goals, with regards to your finances, with regards to your love and relationship, okay? So some transformation is happening for you, Aries. Now let's see, Aries, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Change, projections. See, this is what I told you, transformation. As I told you, Aries, that you are going through some kind of a transformation process. The same goes with your partner. Your partner also sees you, that you have changed a lot. You are not the one with whom they were in love. This is the reason they are feeling fearful, because they do not want to lose you. And with this change card, your person also sees you as somebody who is going through some kind of a transformation, okay? They know that something is happening with you. They know that you are your behavior, your patterns has been changed, but still they are not confident about it. Why you are going through these kind of transformation and changes in life, okay? The current actions which your partner is taking towards you is projecting. Right now they are misunderstanding you. They are not understanding why you have or why this transformation, why you have changed, even though eventually you are also not aware why you are facing some changes in life. So this is the reason they are projecting something, they are misunderstanding you. Okay, they are projecting that you are not good for them, but or perhaps you are going through some tough time in life, or perhaps something is there which they have misunderstood about you. Okay, the future is harmony. Aries, with this card, it seems like in future your person is going to understand how much this change was required for you, how much important was transformation was important for you in future. So once they'll understand this, that okay, Aries also needs to grow in life. Once they'll understand the concept, the whole concept of this transformation and change process, eventually they are going to get some mental peace, and that time they can take some actions towards you. Okay. So it seems like Aries, some of you could be dealing with Libra. Okay, we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So Aries people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.